Hi, my name is Petra McQueen and I am from the Writers Company, and today we are going to talk about setting. So, setting. You have no choice. You have to use setting. There is no escaping this. We live in a temporal world, and so your characters must do too. Even if you set it in outer space, you have to describe setting. Even if you wanted to do an avant-garde book set nowhere, you would describe what nowhere is and how that is. It's a setting. So this is good news for us because setting is one of the best tools a writer can have. And today we're going to talk about how setting can help with atmosphere, with character, and with theme. So first, let's talk about atmosphere. So atmosphere is what you want for your book. You want the reader to be involved in it. You want them to feel as though they are there. And you are, after all, a writer, and a writer is in the business of telling stories. So choose interesting places. Use those places to build up the atmosphere you want in the book. And if the atmosphere is of boredom, you can choose boring places, but what will be interesting to the reader is how they are boring. So use the tool of setting to show atmosphere. Secondly, I'm going to talk about character. So there is lots and lots of ways a character will be shown within the setting, and we will be able to see what that character is like. And one of the ways is in their home environment. Are they really tidy? Are they obsessively clean? What relationship do they have with their objects? Do they like them, or do they feel cowed by them? Are they, in fact, really messy? Do they live in a chaotic environment with too many things? Do they like this? Are they swamped by it? We're getting a real feel of who your character is. I'm going to read this quote now by Paul McGrath. It's from the Creative Writing Handbook. And he says, "Setting is one of the most useful means of getting your characters to give themselves away. Rather than having some ghastly self-revelation in the form of an interior monologue or in an exchange of dialogue, it's always more effective to simply slip in some telling detail about the place in which the characters find themselves. Much better to show them interacting with their environment." And that's a really important word. You are showing. So you are showing, not telling. If you're not sure what that means, go back onto our list and you can see we've got a show, not tell video there. So you're showing, not telling, through place, through situation. And then you've got your character in other environments, and we really get a sense of who they are. How do they feel in an abandoned shed? Are they excited? Are they brave? Are they scared? What do they feel about it? And what do they feel about the other people within there? You're giving real insights into character here. Another thing is, they may feel at home in a place like this, in a palace, or they may feel cowed. So you're showing us their status, not only their status to other people, but their status to place. Do they feel like they belong? So quick summary of character, and there are more things you can show with setting, but with setting you can show your character's relationship with objects, their habits, their physicality, how do they move around a place, their views on other people, their emotions, and finally their status. And what setting can do, which is tied with character as well, is show themes. So imagine your theme is about money, the effect of money on poverty, on richness, on systematic wrongs. Whatever you choose, you could have one of your scenes in a casino, for example, or your character could just be passing by it, but use it. Use that theme to show various settings. Or maybe you want to go a bit deeper. Maybe you want to show your character is at a boundary, is at a crossing, or feels alone. So use the setting. So here we've just got a picture of a wasteland. How does your character feel in that? But importantly, how does that relate to what is happening to that character at that time and the theme that you have chosen? So finally, setting is one of the best tools a writer can have, so use it. So that's all from me. Thank you very, very much. Please like and subscribe. We'll be very grateful. Go to our website, see what courses we have on offer. And thank you very much for listening.